And this weekend we're on a cycling trip in the area where the Iron Curtain used to be in former Czechoslovakia, on the border of Czechoslovakia and Austria. And we're here to check out the last remains of the Iron Curtain. And how things have changed. I'm now at the border of the Czech Republic and Austria. I'm actually still in the Czech Republic now, and this is the old border. So, I'm not sure if you know about Schengen countries, but Schengen countries are a lot of European countries in the EU who have decided not to bother with any borders, so you can literally just go from one to the other. So I'm literally just walking through from the Czech Republic into Austria. There's the Austrian sign. So this evening we just went on a short ride to check out the local villages before our big ride tomorrow. So this is our accommodation, Pension Ham. And this is the bike rack we've had fitted. Or we fitted ourselves actually, to bring the bikes on. Did the job. There's not much in this village at all. We went to this restaurant before. And it's a very strange restaurant because it closes every day at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And there's one other restaurant over the road. It doesn't look great, but we're going to try it because we've got no choice. Nice village this, but this building definitely isn't. It's a relic from the communist era. You can see while we're doing the Iron Curtain this weekend, I think this probably would have been here when the Iron Curtain was here. And it probably wasn't much different. So we're in the Moravian wine region now, in the south of the Czech Republic. We're on a cycling break and also to look for the Iron Curtain remains. And these places have individual wine merchants all over the place. They've got their own wine cellars. And we are going to one that's got an emergency wine night. Emergency wine nights are hosted by local families who are happy to show you around their wine cellar and how they produce the wine. At the wine tasting evenings, you can buy a glass of wine for 30 crowns, which is about £1 or $1.50, and you can also take bottles home. Ooh, right, that is a deep one, isn't it? Yeah.
Po pravé straně a tady na těch prvních 5 opatrně, ty jsou původní, pak už jsou trošku pospravovaný, tak už jsou lepší, ale je lepší držet se po pravé straně už i kvůli světlu. Jasně. A rozestupy, ať si vidíte pod nohy. Jo. First 5 steps, be very careful.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And go on the right hand side.
The locals are happy to take you down to the wine cellar and to show you how the wine is produced.
No, tady jsou fakt takový dost.
Oh god, it is cold, isn't it? Yeah.
A ven to horší. Někde se ten člověk zasekne na tom.
Tohle zdaleka není velký stát.
Just don't expect all of them to speak English because most of them don't.
Protože každý dostal barák, když to osidlovali a část sklepa.
This particular wine cellar is about 300 years
Je
old.
to všechno naláhmovaný. Sudy jsou plastový, do toho se normálně stáhne šťávka.
I'm looking at
This hole.
that hole.
Yeah, you see how far away it is.
Oh yeah. They're having a little party down here. It's a good idea, but it's freezing. And the Czechs love a bit of drinking, any excuse, even in a freezing cold cellar. So we're out on our bikes this morning, and we're in Austria. We've come over from the Czech Republic, across the border, and we're now looking for the last remains of the Iron Curtain. So we're still on the trek to the Iron Curtain, and we've decided to stop off at this stunning little location, popular with people on biking trails back in the Czech Republic. Ooh, got to have a beer. Ivana's just getting the beer in. And look at the size of my sausage. So still on the route to Čížov on our bikes. Here we go. And we've just stopped off because we've seen by the side of the road a military bunker. So we can't be far from the Iron Curtain now. Here's a bunker. Now that's about as much as I can see of it without getting nettled, and can't really get around the other side, but definitely close to Čížov now because there is a military bunker. So, nice road we've got on the bikes today, going to Čížov. There's all kinds of flowers in the fields at the side of us. And not too far to go now. Ivana wants to stop because we've been past loads of cherry trees. So we're just entering Čížov now, and we've just got to go and find where the Iron Curtain remains are. For more information about the Iron Curtain, check out my other video in the link above. These days, crossing the Iron Curtain is as simple as crossing this bridge. Get a room. So this was the third time we crossed the border, which wasn't planned, just an accident because we went the wrong way. In total, this bike ride was 58 kilometres, when originally we'd only planned to do 40. This is Hardegg Castle, in Austria. And while there's not many pubs around, we decided to go back to the family's wine emergency evening. Just on the way back from Moravia now, well, we're still in Moravia, and just came across this town. Can't pronounce it, Jaroměřice or something like that, with this massive chateau in it. Gonna check it out now. Pretty impressive building this. Yet to find out anything about it, but I will do. Yeah, nice planning, Adam. Very impressive, as are the gardens. And we're back from Moravia now, back to Prague, where it's sweltering hot today. It was only about 2 hours drive from Moravia to Prague. So don't forget, if you like a bit of cycling, if you want to get away from Prague, if you've got a few more days in the Czech Republic, check out Moravia and go for a bike ride. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more from our man in Prague.